So let me tell you how I think of AI for purposes of investment. So, I don't know if some of you may not even remember. Think back on days before Google Maps was around. So उस समय हम लोग क्या करते थे? We had a paper map. Okay, and if we knew where we were going and we knew the route, then we went very easily. Okay, there was nothing to look, nothing to ask, nothing to go. But when you had a paper map, then you sort of looked at the map and then you drove the car. You could obviously not look at the map and the road at the same time. So you probably had your friend or your wife or your partner, guiding you. And even then you made mistakes. Okay, so I think investing is a little bit like that. If you like in life, if you know the route to some place, you can go quickly. So if you know a stock or you know a sector and you've done your research, then there's no need of any tools. You should just go and invest. If you have done your research, you have high conviction, you know the route, buy it or trade. It's when you don't know, which is most of us. It's a new route for us. Looking at it, AI, think of AI like like a Google Maps. It won't take you there. You still have to do work, so ghar baithe thodi pahunch jayenge. But it will make sure you make less mistakes. You could still make a mistake. Sometimes Google Maps put you some crazy thing, which is either a one-way road or too small for a car. Ho jata hai kabhi kabhi. So even that makes mistakes. But it is much more reliable than having a paper map. So I think of AI in that way, that it is a guide. There's a lot of information and intelligence in Google Maps, but it is not always correct. And it is not 100% foolproof method. Okay, most of the time it works, but when it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So it's a bit like that.